So guys, we are here to install the Zcart. Okay. So first thing is that system requirement. So we are checking out. It is recommended to host the application at least on a VPS server. I have the same, but they told me that go for a DigitalOcean or Bluehost. Okay. So when I am clicking to the Bluehost source affiliate medium affiliate campaign affiliate link Munna no type. Okay, means that card forced to buy Bluehost or DigitalOcean particular referral invite. Okay, so make sure that they are forced to use uh, these server because of might be they create website for that particular server. Okay, make sure you have the sudo privilege on the server and access to the command line, full access to the MySQL database. We have the full access of the MySQL database, because of it is not needable to install any kind of scripts, because that can be, these are parts can be forced to by the DigitalOcean and Bluehost. Might be they prepare the script according to that particular hosting, but we have a dedicated server. Okay, I have a dedicated server and shared server also. Okay, so these are the particular thing which kind of MySQL, Apache and PHP extension usabilities. Okay, now we are talking about the configuration. Okay, so I am here. This is my cPanel, PHP, my admin, multi PHP INI editor. He told me that it is not a plug and play type of scripts. So we are here to set up right now. So first thing is that before going to, after uploading the Zcart services, first we can upload. Okay, so first this is Zcart.env file which is already I edited. Okay, extract here. Now Zcart is moved to the main directory. Okay, now we can fix the all kind of permission. They told me that after uploading the Zcard server, configure some permission. Firstly, set all directories permission to 755 and files to 644. Okay, so we can set first. Select all. We can deselect, unselect. Sorry, unselect these files. Okay, and after that we can change the permission to 644. Okay, all files are 644. Now they told me that but some directory must be writable by your web server to manage the application, so you need to allow your web server a user to have full access to these directories. So set the permission 775 to below directory. First storage. Okay, first storage we can change 775. Okay, now storage logs. Storage framework. They told me that I missed some sort of steps, so I want ask after the video uploading which steps I have to missed. Okay, 7. Okay, now last one is the vendor. When you visit a website, you are next is the document root. When you visit a website, you are accessing a particular folder on a web server. For example, is that wait, I am here. So I'm just checking out their recording is happen or not. Recording. Okay, now where was when you visit a website, you are accessing a particular folder on a web server. For example, when we visit a example.com, the server is pulling up the files at the public HTML. Okay, now you need to configure a server domain to root index.php. So how to we are going to how to section. Okay, change the document root in cpanel. Changing primary domain name. I already tried to primary domain name, but this can be show license is not yet installed or corrupted. Please contact support team. Okay. And after that, I'll go to the changing add-on domain. Okay. On add-on domain, I am going to add-on domain my modify add-on domain particular file / public. Understand? Here the all things are fine. Documents roots are changing. Okay, now documents roots are changed. Now go to again the cpanel. Okay, uh, we can move to last link. Document roots changes, permission changes, configuration is the main part. php.ini. So we are here to change the php.ini. What they say, post maximum size 512. Okay, so I select my domain, post maximum size is 512. 512 or more, I set up 1024. Okay, upload maximum file size 512 or more. Upload maximum file size, I select the 1024. Maximum execution time 300. Maximum execution time 300. I set 500. Okay, I apply. Oh my god, these are successfully applied the settings. Okay, so all types of settings have been done by me. Now I am going to open my domain, which set by them they are automatically pulling me up a particular installer, but there is no installer out there. Again I'm trying. Again I'm trying. Public is there is lot of redirect. So some sort of things are missing. Okay, great, bye bye. And now I make the second video of the conversation between the Zcart in CVO and me, in which they threaten me to report the Envato. Okay, great. Wait for a while. I'll just